ওকে, আপনারা শুনেছেন এখন ইলেকশনস ফর 2024 এটা অ্যানাউন্স হয়ে গেছে। আমি প্রথমে শিডিউলটা একবার পড়ে দিচ্ছি। অলসো দের আর দুটো বাই ইলেকশন আছে, একটা থার্ড ফেজ, একটা সেভেন্থ ফেজ হবে। প্রথমে আমি রিড আউট করছি ফেজ ওয়াইজ হাউ দি ইলেকশন উইল বি কন্ডাক্টেড ইন ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল। প্রথম ফেজ যেটা হবে দ্যাট ইজ ইন ফেজ 1A, তিনটে পার্লামেন্টারি কনস্টিটুয়েন্সিজ দে আর গোয়িং টু ভোট, অ্যান্ড এই তিনটে আছে কুচবিহার, আলিপুরদুয়ার অ্যান্ড জলপাইগুড়ি। সো ইন দ্য ফার্স্ট ফেজ আমরা মানে নর্থ বেঙ্গল থেকে শুরু করছি। প্রথম ফেজে তিনটে পার্লামেন্টারি কনস্টিটুয়েন্সি, দ্যাট ইজ কুচবিহার, আলিপুরদুয়ার অ্যান্ড জলপাইগুড়ি। এখানে যে শিডিউল আছে, we will give you a copy also after this press conference is over. Issue of notification will be on 20th of March. 20 মার্চে notification হবে। Last date for filing nomination is 27 March, that is 27th March. Scrutiny of nominations will be on 30th of March, and scrutiny on 28th of March. Last date for withdrawal of candidature is on 30th of March. Date of poll will be 19th of April. So, আমাদের রাজ্যে first phase প্রথম date of poll 19th of April আছে। এই দিনে কুচবিহার, জলপাইগুড়ি, আলিপুরদুয়ার will go for vote, and counting of vote for all the phases will be on 4th of June. So once again I am repeating, প্রথম ফেজ কুচবিহার, আলিপুরদুয়ার, জলপাইগুড়ি, এই তিনটে পার্লামেন্টারি কনস্টিটুয়েন্সি নর্থ বেঙ্গল থেকে শুরু হচ্ছে। দিস ইজ দ্য ট্রেন্ড উই হ্যাভ বিন হ্যাভিং ইন দ্য লাস্ট 2014 and 2019। আমাদের রাজ্যে প্রথমে নর্থ বেঙ্গল থেকে শুরু হয়ে, and this time also the commission has followed that. Issue of notification 20th March, last date for filing nomination 27th March. Scrutiny of nomination 28th March, last date for withdrawal of candidature 30th of March, date of poll 19th of April, counting of vote 4th of June. So this is the first phase. Now we are coming to the second phase. যে শিডিউল 2A আছে, এই ফেজে তিনটে কনস্টিটুয়েন্সি, পার্লামেন্টারি কনস্টিটুয়েন্সি we are going, দার্জিলিং, রায়গঞ্জ and বালুরঘাট। So second 2A phase, Darjeeling, Raiganj and Balurghat. For these issue of notification will be on 28th of March. That is nomination filing shuru hobe 28 March থেকে। Last date for filing nomination will be on 4th of April. Scrutiny of nomination will be on 5th of April. Last date for withdrawal of candidature is on 8th of April. Date of poll will be on 26th of April. And counting is on 4th of June for all the phases. তো এখানে আমরা দেখছি তিনটে কনস্টিটুয়েন্সি ইন সেকেন্ড ফেজ, দার্জিলিং, রায়গঞ্জ, বালুরঘাট, and issue of notification is on 28, and the date of poll is 26th of April. থার্ড ফেজে আমরা যাচ্ছি। থার্ড ফেজে চারটে কনস্টিটুয়েন্সি আছে, মালদা উত্তর, মালদা দক্ষিণ, জঙ্গিপুর এবং মুর্শিদাবাদ। এইটাতে ইস্যু অফ নোটিফিকেশন উইল বি অন 12th of April, 12ই এপ্রিল থেকে নোটিফিকেশন হবে, দ্যাট মিনস নমিনেশনের প্রসেস শুরু হবে। লাস্ট ডেট ফর ফাইলিং নমিনেশন ইজ 19th of April. Scrutiny of nomination will be on 20th of April. Last date for withdrawal of candidature on 22nd of April. Date of poll is on 7th May, and counting of votes in all for all the phases in or 4th of June. So this is the third phase. চারটে constituency, Malda Uttar, Dakhin, Jangipur, Murshidabad. Filing of issue of notification 12 তারিখ থেকে শুরু হচ্ছে, and date of poll is 7th of May. Counting as for all the phases around 4th of June. Then we come to the fourth phase. এই fourth phase এ 8টে parliamentary constituency আছে, and this is Baharampur, Krishnanagar, রানাঘাট, বর্ধমান পূর্ব, বর্ধমান দুর্গাপুর, আসানসোল, বোলপুর, বীরভূম। So 8 parliamentary constituencies fourth phase এ যাচ্ছে। বহরমপুর, কৃষ্ণনগর, রানাঘাট, বর্ধমান পূর্ব, বর্ধমান দুর্গাপুর, আসানসোল, বোলপুর, বীরভূম। এখানে issue of notification, that is nomination process will start from 18th of April. Last date for filing nomination is 25th of April. Scrutiny of nomination will be on 26th of April. Last date for withdrawal of candidature is on 29th of April, and date of poll is 13th of May. Counting of vote as for all phases এটা 4th June হবে. So this is the fourth phase যেখানে poll is on 13th of May. Coming to the fifth phase, এই phase এ 60 parliamentary constituency is going to polls. Bongaon, Barakpur, Howrah, Uluberia, Shrierampur, Hooghly, Arambagh. Once again I am repeating, Bongaon, Barakpur, Howrah, Uluberia, Shrierampur, Hooghly, Arambagh. এখানে issue of notification, that is nomination filing will start from 26th of April. Last date for filing nomination is 3rd of May. Scrutiny of nomination is on 4th of May. Last date for withdrawal is on 6th of May. And date of poll is 20th of May, and counting of votes will be on for all the phases 4th of June. So এই যে fifth phase আছে, here the date of poll is on 20th of May. Coming to the sixth phase, এখানে 8 parliamentary constituency will go to the polls. Bongaon, Barakpur, Howrah, Uluberia, Shrierampur, Hooghly, Arambagh. Once again repeating, যেটা আমাদের ফিফথ ফেজ আছে, বঙ্গাঁও, ব্যারাকপুর, হাওড়া, উলুবেড়িয়া, শ্রীরামপুর, হুগলি, আরামবাগ, 60 parliamentary constituency. Date of notification is 26th of April. That means this is nomination will start. Last date for filing of nomination is on 3rd of May, and 4th of May is scrutiny, and 6th will be the last date for withdrawal, and date of poll here is 20th of May. So in the fifth phase, the date of poll is 20th of May. Counting of votes will be on 4th June as for all phases. Coming to the sixth phase, here 8 parliamentary constituency is going to the polls. This is Tamluk, Kanthi, Ghatal, Jhargram, Medinipur, Purulia, Bankura, Bishnupur. Once again repeating, sixth phase e 8 parliamentary constituency pole যাচ্ছে. Tamluk, Kanthi, Ghatal, Jhargram, Medinipur, Purulia, Bankura, Bishnupur. এখানে notification date আছে 29th of April. That is nomination will start. Last date for filing nomination will be 6th of May. Scrutiny of nomination will be 7th of May. Last date for withdrawal on 9th of May. And the date of poll here is 25th May. So 25 May a sixth phase ta poll hobe, and counting as for all the phases will be on 4th of June. The last phase, this is the phase in which we have the maximum number of constituency, not a parliamentary constituency. Last phase e ache jeta সব থেকে বেশি আছে, দমদম, বারাসাত, বসিরহাট, জয়নগর, মথুরাপুর, ডায়মন্ড হারবার, Jadavpur, Kolkata, Dakhin, Kolkata, Uttar. So these are all areas close to Calcutta. Damdam, Barasat, Boshirhat, Joynagar, Mathurapur, Diamond Harbour, Jadavpur, Kolkata, Dakhin, Kolkata, Uttar. এখানে issue of notification, that is 7th of May, that is nomination filing shuru hobe. Last date for filing nomination will be of 14th of May. Scrutiny of nomination will be 15th of May. 17th May will be last date for withdrawal. এখানে date of poll is on 1st of June. So the last phase এখানে জুন মাসে হচ্ছে 1st of June, and counting of votes is on 4th of June. So this is the schedule which we will share with you also a meeting at pore. এছাড়া we had 2 vacancies of by-election assembly constituency. এটাও এর সঙ্গে হবে, একটা will be the third phase, and ACTA will be with the 7th phase. So third phase is Bhagwan Gola, 62 Bhagwan Gola will be in third phase, and here the schedule is date of issue of gazette notification will be on 12th of April. So 12th of April, 12 April থেকে nomination শুরু হবে. Last date of filing nomination will be 19th of April. Date of scrutiny of nomination is on 20th of April. Last date for withdrawal is on 22 April. And date of poll is on 7th May, and date of counting is on 4th June for all the phases. So the date of poll for Bhagwan Gola is 7th of May. Echhada, we also have a vacancy in Baranagar 113, which is in Schedule 7, that is the last phase. Here, Gazette notification, that is, will be on 7th of May. That means nomination will start from 7th of May. Last date of nomination is 14th of May. Scrutiny will be on 15th of May. On 17th is the last date of withdrawal, and date of poll is 1st of June.